In everything we do, Prophet taught, I mean nothing. Why? Because help and support can only come from the Creator. So that has to be written in stone for those whom are taking a path of realities. As soon as you feel you are the one, then no, shaitan is moving through you and you lost the connection to heavens. It can be momentarily, you can regain it through shahada. You say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. That's like as soon as you become angered, as soon as you become disturbed, as soon as you get yourself being arrogant, what is our reboot? So when this doesn't work, I tell you, power down, turn off the phone, wait 10 seconds, reboot the phone. Means go wash, make wudu and make your shahada. Recalibrate yourself, reboot yourself out of kufr and back into Islam, back into trying to submit to God's will and power. He knows that we're going to make mistakes, so the system is built for us that if the devil comes to you and pride and arrogance enter into you, you immediately have to stop, wash, negate, make the kalima as a reboot and brings all your systems back. Now if he comes again, then again go wash again and make your kalima, because he's not leaving you and he's not letting you. Why? Because he's to a great benefit for him to cut you off from the Divine. Doesn't matter whatever you think your station is more dangerous, because then you got filled with the devil thinking you have a station. So Prophet the Master of Reality said, Ya Rabbi, don't leave me for a blink of an eye. Why? Because within that nanosecond if shaitan enters, he blocked the energy coming from Allah. Because the system is you off, Allah's on, you're off, Allah's on, and Allah's sending. This is how binary works, on and off, on and off, on and off. A charge comes, you're on, you negated yourself, you turned back off, Allah send back on. Keep sending you a pulse, and this is the very beat of your heart if it reaches its reality. Where does it go when it doesn't beat? And why is it continuously on and off beat? Because Allah sends the charge, you're nothing. Allah sends the charge, you're nothing, and you are in existence by negating yourself and the Creator sending you the force of life.